Hello guys, welcome to another episode in the Viral Bash. So today we are gonna put a real one on a Manniquen. We are gonna put the new Maybelline New York concealer. This is part 2 of this tutorial. I'm gonna show you in depth more how to really apply it to the Manniquen. So first thing is the Manniquen must be like that, and you have to open the concealer. This is a new concealer. I really like the shade. I'm gonna show it closer to you guys. So this is the pink edition. Yes, and what I like about it, it's really like not too shady. It's really soft, and I'm gonna show you how to apply it on a Manniquen very soon. So the first thing you need to do to apply this concealer is let's a bit size the eyebrows. So a concealer, you don't put it like that, like on the side. I'm gonna put it here on the side, right. Oh, my concealer is a bit okay. Let's see. So to apply concealer correctly, the first step that you need, guys, is you need to put it on the cheekbones, and then you go up slightly to the eyebrows. So you need to start from here, then you go till the up, right? You go here, then you go here. So let's see. So as you guys see, this concealer is really something else. It's really like very useful. And what I like about it, and what I like this concealer, is that it's really like not too shady. It really like conceal the cheekbones parts. And this Maybelline New York is really like a soft one. It's really multi-usage concealer. Instant age rewind eraser. This is the new Maybelline New York. If you guys want to know more about it, you should click on the link below where it appears somewhere. So, and what I really like about this new concealer is that it's a fuck proof. Now what does it mean, a fuck proof? Fuck proof means that it's a fuck proof mascara. I'm just kidding, I'm not. It's Maybelline New York fuck proof concealer, not mascara, sorry guys. So it's a fuck proof concealer, and you put it here, you go side it to the eyebrows, I think, like that. You go here, and you go here. So what I really like about this concealer, as you guys see, it's the new Maybelline New Yorker. So when a Manniquen, you see it really fades away. As you guys can see very closer. And this is really bad. Yeah, it really like shades apart on the Manniquen, as you can see. Because it's not real, it's not like real. but what it's look like, it really gives you a soft look, a soft, like it's not much, it's very usable concealer. So that's what you do to apply it on a Manniquen. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the thing is really on the Manniquen, it really fades away. It's really like good. It's good for everyday to-day use. You guys can use a coupon where it's down below. Yes. And so you could use it in the day-to-day. So it's really useful for your makeup routine, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to buy this new Maybelline New York concealer, fuck proof.